How do I know how close I am?
Just point down.
Sweet. Am I doing this right?
Oh,
Oh, sweet.
down. I seen him come right in.
That's
He
awesome.
hit it on the
yes.
down. He hit it on the down.
On the downfall.
Yeah.
Sweet.
There he is. I think he's tangled.
Yeah, he might be. Oh,
Look, he's wrapped.
Can I leave the camera here? Or?
He's coming up upside down. Oh, he's tangled. Oh, he's tangled in my camera thing. Just pull him up. Lift him up. We got him in the camera.
This is hilarious.
He took it when I pulled up that time. Get her down. Point down. Both same size.
Yeah?
Yeah. Hopefully got my camera wire again.
No, your camera's not moving. Good start to the day. Can't beat that.
Coming.
If I put the camera like this, would it capture me?
Yeah. Good me. I had to try We're using my camera wire again.
What is?
It's a bigger one.
Yeah, it's got color on it.
Yeah.
Or the water's tinted, that's probably what it is. He's fighting.
Oh yeah. Oh, I'm also pulling up that heavy camera wire.
Oh yeah, he's in it now.
He's coming up backwards, Charlie.
Oh fuck. I can't help. He's stuck on your camera, that's what it is. I'm scared that he gets off. Too funny. Here, I'll release the camera.
Yeah.
There we go.
We'll let him
Nice
go.
little guy. Another one. Whoa! Whoa, that was nice!